Hello friends, myself Muhammad Fahim Hassan and you are watching FineGap YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can upload your source code directly from Visual Studio Code to GitHub. So without any delay, let's start. So first of all, you must have installed Git. You can see this and you can go to their website and you can download from here and then you can install that. To check in your Visual Studio Code either the Git is installed or not, you can directly type here git hyphen version and you can see that it is displaying me the Git version. So their latest version is 2.510 and my version is 2.50, which is okay. Next, you need to go to your GitHub account and click on new. Here, let me type here test landing page. You can create a new repository. Click on create repository. That's it. Next, you can go back and type here git init. So git have been initialized in this project. Then you can type here git add dot. It means add all our files. We have only one file at the moment, but dot means add all our files. And now we need to commit them. Git commit with a message like added first landing page code. So you can write any message here. Press enter. Now we need to add our remote here. So basically what does remote means? You can copy this repository URL from here and type here git remote add origin and then you can paste that URL here and make sure to type .git at the end and press enter. So maybe you are thinking a question that what is git remote? Basically git remote is the address of your repository that where this git should upload this code. So basically this is the address and we are telling git that this is our the remote address that we are going to push our code. So if you want to check either remote is added successfully or not, or maybe if you are working on any repository and you want to see that address, so you can type here git remote -v and you can see that to fetch we have this remote address and even to push we have this remote address. And finally we can push our code using this git push origin and here you need to type your branch name. So in my case my branch name is master and you need to make sure either your main branch name is master branch or main branch. So now just you can press enter and you can see that counting objects and it is displaying me these instructions. So I believe our code have been pushed to our GitHub repository. Now let me go back here and let me refresh this. So you can see that on our this test landing page repository we have this index.html file and if I click on that, so you can see that this whole code is uploaded directly using Visual Studio Code to our GitHub repository. So hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.